Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations. How to fix your Gmail password. In case you have lost your Gmail password or forgot or someone who has stolen your Gmail password. Now you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phones. However, how do you recover it? Step by step, we will see with real demonstrations. This idea has been recommended by one viewer who was exhausted to rescue this particular idea because of course he has lost his device, and due to losing of his device now he's not in a position to the rescue because of he doesn't have now the recovery email and the recovery phone so that he can rescue of it. So we will see live step by step, and a similar strategy you will have to follow if you are facing this kind of the challenges. So first and foremost, let's check it out. What are the options here to address of this array? We are in a Google recovery mode. Now we can see here, take any smartphones, apply a similar strategy that I will show you guys here. Now see, it is in recovery. It's asking so that if you know your last password, then this can be rescued. Finds we don't know. Now it's saying so that if you have a phone number, because this is verified ID, then it will give you some SMS on the basis of or call or message on the basis of especially you can risk of this ID, but due to losing of device we don't have a phone number, so fines. Now that we can see here the limitation that this can be possible, yes, to sign in when answer as many questions as you can, or you can use a device where you have signed before. This can be the possible, and if your account is managed with family links, then we have the send an email to your parents to the change your password. Saying that after all, that is any alternative recovery email is added with this ID or linked, then we will send their OTP. By that you can reset of it or reset links. We are not in a positions to rescue by these all options, so can I have the more opportunity to other rescue? Of course this can be possible. How it is, just we will cut it from here and upon we'll have to tap in a Play Store, guys. When we will come in a Play Store, what we will see here, just we will tap on this search browser. There we will have to write here, that is a ULA browsers. The files now will go for the installation. So if we click on a installations, and then it will start to install, but of course it will take a time, scarcely 2 to 5 minutes, because internet speed is quite slow, and this is old Android device, so by that I'm the trying to the risk of it. So see, it has started to especially download. On the other hand, two changes that is very crucial that we will have to apply. So we will come on here. Now see, firstly we will attack on a, yes, Chrome browser, because as we know that usually the coming with Android, so or a smartphone. So we will firstly we will come on a especially notification option, and we will make it blocks to every all the notifications. Then we will come the permissions to, of course we will have to, yes, set up especially free of space that we will have to off, and we will come in the locations, we will make it to customize the precise location, so make it off, and upon we will click here don't allow. So it's essential that if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device may no longer the function intended. But of course we would like to at the risk of decide is for time being I'm doing it. Build up. Now that we have one browser, also that is especially Google search browser, hold it, and of course we will tap on this app info, then we will come notifications, and after come notifications, similar status we will have to execute here also, that after blocking notifications we will come in especially locations, make the customize the precise location off, so just we will click on there. So now it's on off. Now we will click on here, and we can see This is a remove permission, the free of species already off now. So what we will do here, one more time we will back and open via defaults and that. Yes, link supported link, this would be off. So this is also off for temporary now. Now we will come in especially Play Store. In the Play Store, we will check it out especially this is installed or not. So it is a sanction that is special, I mean. Almost 63% has been installed, so we will have to wait for especially 100% is complete installations. Then the further we will go for ahead of that, especially. Now, 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute on exact times, and this can be easily rescue of it. So, just waiting here to complete these installations. And easily I will assure you that without having the recovery email and the recovery phone, so of course the Google will give you an opportunity to rescue it. So almost 20% is the retaining or the remaining, so we will have to wait here, guys. What we can, internet speed is quite slow in this area or zone, so just we will have to wait here. Almost 85%, so 50% is more we need here. The timer, you can the conjectures or you can see all the timer, this ones and this one here, both are exactly as working. So not each byte or especially a little a small bytes will be escapes all the things directly live. I'm the trying to the rescue and the lives and this would be recorded on this channel. So I hope that you will be able to follow all the instruction step by step. If you are unable to execute on a one time, so to watch carefully 2 to 3 times and then go for execution and similar studies. So now after all it has been installed, so just from here we will click to the open it. Now here we will have to accept and go for started. We will go for started. We will go for started. We will go for started. Go for finish. And now we cam on this. Directly we will write here that is a Google. Let's write here Google and we will go for here tap to this one. So now we cam on a special directly linked with the DuckDuckGo.coms and now here is especially yes we will click on this and when we tap and here is now sign in. When we tap on a sign in, so just we will click on here and we will write this particular ID that we would like to rescue. Now what we will do guys here, just we will click to the next and see here more opportunities coming or not. Just we will go for here forgot password finds. So what's the next options? Last password as usually. Of course we will click on it, try another way. Now here is this is a registered mobile number. If you know, then after getting OTP you can have call or text, but due to losing of the phones as usually I have to mention to you that. Now here is the 3 options. Answer as many questions as you can. Use the device where you have shown before. Manage alternative emails, and then of course we have the sense and email show the parents to the change your password. And last one, the see the green sign of yes that more tips to the rest of this account. So of course by that we can the rest of it, but don't click on here. Smartly we will text. Yes, advantage of one facility that is Google provided us, but we don't know. So how it is? We'll go in a tab on a setting to of course we'll have option Google services and the preferences. First tap on that and here what we will do guys here just simply we will click on a help options first. Nothing much more we will have to go for. So when we tap on a help options then here what related you would like to have. So here we will have to click hacked Gmail recovery. Yes, maybe someone who has stolen, someone who is using, sure, unfortunately you forgot. Now we have options in that. Secure, hacked or compromised Google accounts, and that we would like to find out again. So tap on that. Now we will scroll up and here we can see in a scrolling up, so review your account activities. And we can see here, we will click on this and now that we can see here there's a Yes, find out if your account has been hacked. So when we tap on this, click on it. Now when we tap on it, then what we will do here, just to see. Now this has been opened. Now just we will have options, that is especially these steps that scan the rescue. Just we will tap on it. So now we will have to check it out that we are on a right recovery page or not. For confirmation, we will check it out here that it is. What if I can't sign in? So then, of course, create a replacement Google accounts, and so the way to getting logged out of your Gmail accounts. Just by two options is the coming means just at the up corner. Of course, we will tap this account recovery page. Now we come on a right recovery page. Now within one clicks here, your ID will be displayed here, and now just tap to next and automatically ID this will be recovered, guys. Now see, welcome to back. How easily this can be, but of course little tough task that you will have to execute. Watch carefully step by step all the instructions with especially all the steps. Now here, don't go in the excited. Uh, don't especially felt don't fall in especially guys in the excitements and that it has the welcome to you. No, don't click on a continue. Just we will have to handle it smartly by click update password. When we taps now easily, we can see here that Google has given an opportunity directly to the create password and the confirm password, and that should be a stronger one, guys, than previous ones. Of course, why it's so? Because of especially this kind of the situation will not be occurred again, especially guys. Now what we will do here, create a strong password confirms that, and we will go for here directly save it. When we save it, then we will have to go in a Google account management, and after going to Google account management, of course you will have to sign in there, security in there. We will have to add the firstly alternative email, and by that getting OTP, of course we can remove our phone number, that is old one that registered there, and after that this site will be fully secure. This further step that we cannot show you guys because this is a privacy concern of my viewer who has recommended to other rescue, and he was worried a lot of the data is inside there. So this is all about. Thank you very much, and have a great time, guys. Bye bye. And of course, the further any kind of the query, questions, and if you are not in the positions to execute by yourself, and this status there, if you don't have any objections, then of course you can drop your email in the comments box. We will pick, and of course we will the rescue, and after rescuing, of course we will deliver to you. So thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.